Here's the video that started it all 4 years ago today.
So we go ahead and flip up our collar, take the tie, put the fat side down. At the end, you want the tie to come out right about your waistline. Looks cool that way. If you have it up here, that's dorky. If your knot's big and you got a short tie, dorky. You don't want to do that, all right? Just telling you. Okay.
Am I right?
Fat side, right? And we go around the front, come around the back, down through the hole right there. I'm gonna pay attention to that knot because you're kind of building the knot as you go along, right? Then we come across the front. We go around the back and come through. And now you still want to pay attention to that knot. And then now you're coming through there. Okay, see how we got that nice knot now? And then there you go. We drop this collar down. Make sure you don't have anything sticking out the back. That's also dorky. Okay, and then you go ahead and cinch it up. And I don't even think you need to button this. I don't normally. I leave it a little bit loose so I can actually breathe. I bring it on up, and a nice clean knot. Came out to right about my waist. Perfect, looks good. And I use a button down collar because that always makes it nice and clean at the end too. Makes it easy. All right, there you go.